All right, man, behind us is the Woody line, and this is not stained. Our new Woody price is $74.9. I know we went up from $59.9 to $74.9. Can you explain why, Amanda?
I cannot explain why because Tim was just talking to Randy about it, and I was over there looking at my phone.
Yeah. Quiz.
At my grandson who was dressed up for Halloween today.
Well, yeah, tomorrow is Halloween for here.
Yeah.
And we're going to have a big Halloween party here. But the Woody line, all right, from $59.9 to $74.9. And the reason is that $59.9, it came unfinished, right? Inside, outside, no stain, no poly, nothing extra. We got tons of requests that said, hey, I don't want to stain it. I want it painted inside.
That's true.
I
did know that and I forgot.
Yeah,
that is true.
Yeah, I want it done. And so what we said is, all right, stop. We've got to finish it out, and we're just going to put another price on it.
Right.
So as you guys know, our new cottage line, stick frame, poly with the LP siding, everything, different style sinks, all the colors, $69.9.
Yeah.
This is $74.9, and this is 10 by 24. We'll show you the layout, different type of roof line. I love that we get so many different types of roof lines and style homes.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
And they're model homes.
Yeah.
And this is done out of 2x4 construction. We call it stick building. And we're going to show you the inside. So now the $74.9, it'll be completely stained and finished inside, outside, all white interior.
Now, if I was a customer and I would need this done for myself, not that I can't do it, but do I want to do it? Do I have the time to do it? I just need something with my lifestyle. I would need it to be completely done.
Yeah.
Just have it done. All I want to do is move in. All I want to do is decorate it and do things like that. I know there's a lot of people who would want to, stain it themselves or do the polyurethane themselves, things like that. Is that an option, or are we just selling it for the whole shooting match?
Well, I came out, I intentionally wanted this to be a factory-built home.
Yes.
That we build them like, man, just go,
Right.
keep the cost down low. And I thought, well, if we do that, it'll be a DIY. It's kind of like our Incrediboxes and
Right.
Cottages. That didn't go over well.
It didn't go over well. And I have to say that I am a little bit surprised by that.
I mean, it's a big house. It was 10 by 24.
Great deal.
$59.9 is like, man, but people need it finished.
They need it finished.
So
That's
we
right.
had to increase our price. There's a lot more labor now included in this thing.
Yeah.
A lot more amenities. And like we just said on our cottage line, there are 3 different types of sinks you can put in this thing now.
Which I'm excited about.
3 different colors.
Yeah, we're talking white is your standard, of course, but then you have a choice between a black farm style
Black,
sink, or blue.
white, or blue.
Wow.
That's going to be cool.
Beautiful.
And then, this floor plan is got more closets, pantries than any home and probably more than even our larger model homes.
Yeah.
So, all right.
Ready to go inside?
Let's go. All right, come on in here, you guys. I want to show you a little bit. Of course, this is a side entrance. As you come into the kitchen, what's really cool is when you come in, you've got your bathroom. It's kind of like a mudroom right here.
Yeah.
And this big living room. Oh, wow, this is awesome.
And you can smell the wood.
Hey, why don't you come here and set up?
Okay.
And I'd like for them to hear your explanation, too, of this house and how it flows, Ace, where'd you go? Come on, buddy. So we're trying to do a little bit where we get Amanda in here, and I wanted her to explain a little bit about the flow of the house so you guys can hear her opinion. And the living room, again, this house incorporates a lot of what the 10 by 20 had, but you added 4 more feet to it. The closet the staircase is not on the left side. It's actually at the end of the house, which I like. When you come in, the staircase is out of the way. It doesn't take away from any of this, and you can get a full-size stackable washer and dryer.
Right, exactly. Well, and let me show that. I don't think we got.
What do you prefer, the stackable washer dryer or the combo?
Stackable.
Yeah, if you can have it, right? If there's room.
But to be fair, I've never done a combo washer and dryer.
Right.
So if I'm one person in the house, I would want the combo. Because you can save on space, okay? Because you can put that at the bottom and then hang your clothes at the top of it.
Just going to say, you still can put a combo here.
Absolutely.
So you see we got it vented out, got your washer and dryer, your hot and cold and your vent and your plug, you're all set. This living room is larger than 100 square feet with your ceiling fan, mini split, sconce lights, picture window, 3040 windows. This is a nice living room.
Let me show this picture window. Let me just get a really good shot of the living room here because, I mean, that's really
So
nice.
we don't have any electricity on this home, and you can see all the light that's coming in, all the natural light. And I like it because the 2 windows open for cross breeze. And then, I know we're trying to do this tripod thing.
Something that I want to bring up really quick, though. The very first Woody that we ever did, we actually sat there.
At a bay.
So kind of explain why is it different from the one that...
Well, the bay window's extra, and it was a custom-built home that had a lot of off-grid capabilities on it. So this one comes with a picture window. If you want the bay window, you can add, we'll be glad to add a bay window, for you on that. And it's like a little seated area for the bay window. So
because we have on like all the homes, we have a lot of amenities that you can.
That they're increasing. There's like 26 different amenities now that you can pick and choose to go in your home. A lot of those amenities are the off-grid. Now the off-grid is still, we have not went up on any of our amenities or any of our off-grid capabilities. We still got them. Go on our website, check them out. We can still put solar, lithium batteries, panels, inverters, charge controllers, everything to make this house off-grid. This is our butcher block countertop. This is our dovetail joinery, solid maple drawers. Love these cabinets.
Beautiful.
Yep, farm style sink. Of course, we just talked about 3 different colors. The big thing about this Woody line is the new roof line style that we have. It's 2 reverse gables. 2 shed gables. And then you've got this big closet.
Oh, yeah.
This is
You
huge.
need that so bad.
Isn't that awesome? Look.
Oh my God, look at that. You need that so bad in a tiny home.
You need it so bad to get rid of Randy. Then you've got this pantry, right? Or whatever you'd like to have in it. And of course, you close it up. And then you got the door down here. And you got the door down here for your bathroom. And I love this barn door, you guys. So you got closet around the corner with your stackable dryer. If you have a combo, you got a closet above it.
What a functional house.
The kitchen, cooktop, nice countertop space. You got room for a dining room table that doesn't interfere with your living room.
Yep.
And then, of course, underneath the steps is storage where your hot water heater is.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, you know what? We got this tripod. We're trying to get us both in the videos.
Let me.
All right, so then in the bathroom, because this has got a 36-inch shower. If you start, I know people watch these videos and you study them, you'll realize that it's, we got so many models to choose from. This 36-inch shower is a bigger deal, right, than our other 10 by 24 because of the arrangement of this bathroom. This bathroom's bigger.
It is bigger.
And you have a wider toilet, and that's because the stairs are on the back. That's why I went from the stairs on the side to the stairs in the back, wider toilet. This is under the landing of the upstairs loft because you're coming up the stairs this way. So think about when you come in here, this is actually probably easier to navigate because when you come out of the steps, out of the shower, you've got your sink, you got your toilet. There's a lot of room to walk around in here.
A lot of room here.
Yeah.
Let me get into the shower and show you.
And Mandy, you can, let me do that too.
Because this is different from the Woody the very first one, because it was a custom build.
Yes.
This is different. So this is a new time, the very first time you're seeing this bathroom.
So I like it that you have room up here for any kind of shelving, cabinets. This is something you can still evolve into, put your mirror, your medicine cabinet you would like on here. And also to the left of the shower, you've got some more storage for toiletries, towels, whatever you need in your bathroom.
Absolutely.
So you've got this storage, you've got 2 storages in the kitchen, plus where the washer and dryer is, and there's a small portion of storage still underneath the steps where the water heater is.
Okay.
Yeah. Watch out,
So
buddy.
now we're going to go upstairs.
And then, like I said,
What size was this again?
10 by 24.
10 by 24.
And like I said earlier, with the steps being on the end, what it did is it created a wider space between the kitchen and the bathroom.
Yes.
All right? The bathroom door is not across from the sink. A lot of people say, hey, we can still close it off here. I'm going to shut him up in there. See you, buddy.
See you, Ace.
And now you got this long wall.
You do.
Isn't this cool?
That is super functional.
Look.
Look, you're pushing it. You want out, buddy?
Come on. So it offers some different amenities, a different look, with a lot of similarities too with the kitchen and bathroom, but some storage.
And also storage up here on top of this closet.
Yep.
To be honest.
Yeah.
You know? Okay.
Amanda, you can go upstairs up there and just
Okay.
take the camera. And, you know, these steps are super easy to navigate because
Yep.
the rise and the run are very similar to any home style,
Very
large
natural.
home. Yep,
Yeah.
very natural.
So I'm going up so you can see.
And this loft is about, 80 square feet. So it's big enough for a king size bed. And you guys can see me, so that airflow can flow in and out of here, right? In your loft, you've got 2 egress windows, enough for a king size mattress. Actually, you could shove your mattress right up through here. Yep.
This is really nice. Are you doing push-ups? Pull-ups?
Tried, felt good.
And there's the stairs. This is great.
Yeah, you got enough plugs. Look, you got plugs, you got lights, you got 4 different types of plugs to range your furniture anywhere you would like to have up there.
Now explain the roof line a little bit.
So the roof line is 2 shed roofs. And you've seen the light, Amanda, in between the 2 roof lines.
Yes, yeah.
So you got windows that run along the side. There's so much light in that loft. And I just wanted to give it a different look than the gable roofs that we've been making. This has got a little bit of a modern look to it. Looks like a little bit of an Incredibox.
Yep.
But it's 2 of them. And we've had a lot of compliments on this home. Also, we built it trying to keep the cost down.
That's right.
You know, building a shed roof can be a little bit less costly than building the gables and all the trim that comes with it. So for $74.9, 10 by 24, now it'll be all white inside. Everybody loves the all white house.
It looks great.
Stained on the outside. All wood home is why we call it the Woody. So a complete finished home. Let us know if you like it. Give us a call, 423-438-0111, or go to sales@incredibletinyhomes.com or info@incredibletinyhomes.com. The build list and the wait on this thing, you're probably looking about 90 days right now if you ordered today. We can have this home sitting in your driveway in about 90 days. I don't know any builder in the country right now that can offer almost all the models we have and get them to you in almost 90 days. We're packing the guys, the efficiency, the way we're trying to structure our company to where when our load increases, we can increase our manpower. This is a specialty home. This is full carpentry. Just look at some of this is just a model. It's going to somebody's home. And I always, I try to point in, like right here, man, to see this joint.
Yeah.
Look how that's cut. Look how tight
Nice.
that finish is. And then, look, I'm going to run my finger, and you see this different stair step on this trim.
Yeah.
And it's the same all the way up. You can see right here, the trim here, all the cuts. Look up on the ceiling. Now this will come all white. This is an unfinished. This was one of our.
And the ceiling will be natural.
Oh, well, you know
Or
what?
is it going to be all white?
People talked about wanting everything white in
I'm
these things.
excited to see that.
Yeah,
Man.
and then you've got it all colored because, they love the Luann. It was
Yeah.
all white. And
True.
so we've been getting a ton of requests and people loved it all white. Now, if you want maybe just a polyed ceiling and the poly trim, we can do that for you too, all right? But we're getting a ton of requests. Everybody wants everything white. And then your stain grayed outside. Now, the stain we put on it is a Siken stain, Sikens, I believe it is. And it is a top-notch, it's the best they have. And we've been using it in log cabins for years. All right. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. 74.9, 10 by 24 Woody. Go to our website, fill out for more information there. It doesn't have the information on the 3 colors of our kitchen sinks, but we'll get that to you as soon as we can. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know what you think. And buy a Woody.
And buy a Woody. Okay.
See you guys.
Bye.